Pr0n.
Right, and this is the thing I've been working on while I haven't been working on videos. I've done a lot of audio stuff and I realised I needed a new studio and an editing bay, so here it is. So, as you can see, lots of acoustic panels. Those ones are on cardboard, those ones are on the background board that I managed to score from work when they were throwing it out. So yeah, but you can just as easily use cardboard to make panels up. Got one on the wall there, and some on the wall, well, on the wardrobe there, and that just helps to deaden out the sound. Speaking of sound, we've got two of these Samsung Go Mic CO1s XLR microphones, very nice mics, and we've been using those since the beginning of Rangers Radio, thanks very much to Pr0n. So it's on like one of these scissor arms, and I've got another one over here because they're both mono microphones feeding into an Eddy roll. Yeah, just get a little bit more light there. Little Eddy roll 24-bit XLR input manager that I got cheap secondhand for 25 quid. And over here we've got my gaming PC, which I also use this little webcam on to video, and the gaming PC was another donation. Thank you very much to Kevin, and either Kevin is a geek or my friend Andrew gave me the graphics card that goes in there, and I added in some memory and a big old hard drive. This 24-inch monitor was a kind gift also from my friend Andrew. I got a nice Lenovo keyboard, and all three of those books are useful. There's Scott McCloud's Understanding Comics, which I hugely recommend, the Raspberry Pi User Guide, and underneath that, How to Do Just About Everything by Reader's Digest. I will read them. A little tower of stationery and bits and bobs there, and a shelving unit behind the panelling here, because when the microphones come down, as you see, they're in front of the panelling, and it again helps deaden any sound. That's kind of cool. Behind here I've got my speakers and my Newmark Mixtrack Pro, which I use for the radio show production for the music, and some very nice Logitech speakers. Yeah. So, and this is my main editing PC. This is a 16GB Lenovo X230 with about 3 terabytes of SSD storage, and a Lenovo monitor, which I was lucky enough to get. And on the ground we've got various pads and mats. Always got to have a good mouse mat, stuff like that. And if we come up here, got my mood board. These two paintings here were done by one half Stephen Colty, who's one half of the KLF, so I thought I'd put those up. Some women of science, and a picture of Henry Rollins there. Yeah. And a picture of Spock watching over everything, and my pirate flag that I put on my tent at EMF. So yes, so you got the super duper scissor mics, scissor stands for the mics. Those mics have been amazing. If you're looking for mics, Samsung CO1s, if you can get them, seem to be utterly me proof, so I haven't managed to break those. And up here we've got an Epson X352, if I can get out of the light. Reason that's there is it's a really cheap printer to run. It'll take standard glossy photo paper, and the cartridges are between 50p and £1 if you look on eBay. And pretty much finally, as we come down, finally we've got the tea station. I'm English, we have kettles, and you need a cup of tea from time to time, and that time is sometimes not while you're working on something. I've even got a fridge and an Epson AccuLaser double-sided printer, which is also a gift from Andrew. So yeah, thank you to everybody that contributed. There's my 3D printer up there. Yeah. Also we've got a little camera rig that attaches to another scissor stand. I'm hoping to use that for some overhead shots sometime soon. Yeah. So it's pretty comfortable in here. Got everything I need. Now all I got to do is create some stuff. So again, thanks for watching. This has just been a bit of kit porn, or Pr0n, to keep you guys going, because you know, I'm sorry I haven't put much out, but yeah, this is where I'm working now and this is what I'm doing. Do go and check out the Mixcloud channel, Team Human at Mixcloud, where a bunch of us have been putting a lot of work in to make lots and lots of podcasts so you can have something to listen to. So yeah. Yeah, so here we go. And thanks for watching.